Specifically, Judge Walker overturned California Marriage Protection Act after concluding as a matter of fact that the majority of Californians who voted to protect marriage were bigots who had no rational basis to define marriage on their own terms. He essentially said that marriage exists because heterosexuals have been homophobic and practicing discrimination since the beginning of time. Here are some of the facts Judge Walker found. Religious beliefs that gay and lesbian relationships are sinful or inferior to heterosexual relationships harms gays and lesbians. The campaign to pass Prop 8 relied on stereotypes to show that same-sex relationships are inferior to opposite-sex relations. This is what he found. And the reason he found this is because the only testimony he took was from advocates. And this is what none of this is legal. None of this is law. This is all political. This is all social. And so the social demands, the political beliefs of the opponents of Prop 8 have now been codified into law by one of their own, a judge. The judge found that Proposition 8 campaign relied on fears that children exposed to the concept of same-sex marriage might become gay or lesbian. That's now been codified as law. It's no different than the judge down in Arizona deciding on the basis of hypotheticals to overturn the Arizona law on illegal immigration. Judge Walker found the genetic relationship between a parent and child is not related to a child's adjustment outcomes. Well, I don't know what that is, but that's not law. There's no precedent. There is no law for any of this that this judge found or cited. Some of the other facts that the judge found. Children do not need to be raised by a male parent and a female parent to be well-adjusted. Now, how did Judge Walker arrive at these facts? By agreeing with everything the same-sex marriage proponent experts said, while ruling that the traditional marriage witnesses were unreliable and provided no credible evidence to support any of the claimed adverse effects proponents promised to demonstrate. So we don't even have case law. We don't have law, period. We have leftist activism that a judge sided with in the form of testimony